Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be making a website using both CSS and HTML. So this is the first website that I've made on this channel using both these coding languages. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is basically the first thing we do in almost any video, and we're going to create this which is basically the skeleton for our HTML code. I'm going to name this document, what should I name it? What about HTML and CSS website? Does that sound okay? And this is the most important part of this entire thing. You're going to type link and then click enter. And then you're going to type the name of the document that you want to connect this document to. So I'm going to connect this document to this CSS document right here. So I'm going to type style.css. And boom, that's it. We just connected this document to this document. Now, whatever you do on this document, it will also affect the website we make using this document. Now, inside of here, we're going to type, we're going to make a div first. And we're going to click enter, and then here we're going to type class main. Now that we've done that, we're going to save it and go to style.css. Now the first thing we're going to do is make this star image, and we're going to make a spiky bracket. I actually don't know what these brackets are even called anyway, so I'm just going to call them spiky brackets. The margin is going to be 0. The padding is going to be 0, and the font family will be this one. And then after that, you're going to type .main, make yet another spiky bracket. When you're typing a CSS code, there are going to be a ton of spiky brackets. So you're going to have to get used to that. A width will be 100%, because right now we're just making a background for our code, for our website I mean. So width, height, and the position will be relative, and overflow, hidden. That's perfect. And now the final thing is this is basically the background. We're gonna create a linear gradient, which is basically like smearing color in a straight line, and it's gonna be to the right. Right. Okay. We're gonna type a comma, and then you can use any color you want. I'm just using these colors because I think they match nicely. If you don't know what the number for your color is, there are several ways you can find it. You can either go into Google Docs, and there's like a thing, and if you hover over that color on that square, it shows the number that it has, or you can just search it up. So 9C27B0. And now once you've done that, you're gonna put like the comma, and then you're gonna type the next color. I'm gonna do this 8ECDFF. So now that we've done that, let's just save this, and then go into code, go into music, open up index.html. Oh, wow. Okay, that's great. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. This video is purely just for showing you guys how to connect two different coding files together. I'm going to be making another video soon, and it's going to be basically just me building an actual proper website instead of just a background using CSS and HTML. And also stay tuned, because soon I'm going to be releasing a video where I create a video game using Unity. So just stay tuned for that. And well, that's the end of this video.